When your X's move too tight, multicollinearity comes to light. They overlap, the model's blind, can't tell which one's driving the line. Independent variables walk the same, one predicts the other, that's the game. X and X squared, side by side. Dummy variables add to the right, too close to tell, they're in a crowd. The signals mix, the errors get loud. Regression shakes, can't find a way. Multicollinearity is in the way. X's move too tight, multicollinearity comes to light. They overlap, the model's blind, can't tell which one's driving the line. When your X's move too tight, multicollinearity comes to light. They overlap, the model's blind, can't tell which one's driving the line. Maybe your sample is just too small, or two variables rise and fall. Standard errors shoot up high, t-values drop, you wonder why. Drop one X or center your scale. Try PCA if others fail. Let predictors each take space, then your model fits in place. X's move too tight, multicollinearity comes to light. They overlap, the model's blind, can't tell which one's driving the line.
If you're learning and enjoying this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps us drop more fire lessons like this. Now, let's test your knowledge. Time for a quick quiz. 1. What is multicollinearity in regression analysis? 2. What happens when multicollinearity is present? 3. Multicollinearity affects which of the following most?
The signals mix, the errors get loud. Regression shakes, can't find a way. Multicollinearity is in the way. X's move too tight.
4. What makes perfect multicollinearity different from imperfect?
Which one's driving the line? When your X's move too tight, multicollinearity comes to light. They overlap, the model's blind, can't tell which one's driving the line. Maybe your sample is just too small, or too
5. Which of the following is an example of perfect multicollinearity?
Drop one X or center your scale. Try PCA if others fail. Let predictors each take space, then your model fits in place. X's move too tight, multicollinearity comes to light. They overlap.
6. Which variable is likely to cause multicollinearity when included improperly? 7. Which situation is an example of the dummy variable trap? 8. Including x and x squared in a regression model often leads to 9. If two variables are almost always moving together but not exactly, they are showing
when your X's walk in step. You've got multicollinearity. Yep.
10. What can a small sample size do in the context of multicollinearity?
X squared on the same page, or dummy variables locked in the same cage. Yeah, too close to tell. X's collide, multicollinearity, truth and I. Too close close to tell. X's collide, multicollinearity true.
Now, question 11. If you include both x and x squared in a model, what kind of multicollinearity is this?
Just too small, or income and spending both rise and fall. Made the science flip, standard errors explode, and t-value shrink down a bumpy road. Too close to tell, X's collide, multicollinearity true. The eye.
12. What is a common method for detecting multicollinearity?
Drop one X or center your data. Use PCA, it works much greater. Let predictors stand on their own. Then your regression finds its tone. Multicollinearity.
13. What does a VIF value greater than 10 usually indicate?
Multicollinearity truth denied.
14. What happens to standard errors when multicollinearity increases? (15) Which is a classic sign of multicollinearity.
When your exes walk in step. You've got
16. What is one visual symptom of multicollinearity?
When the variables move too close, one predicts the other's hard to diagnose. Could be x and x squared on the same page, or dummy variables locked in the same cage. Yeah, too close to tell. X's collide, multicollinearity truth denied.
17. Which action may correct multicollinearity?
Multicollinearity truth denied. Yeah. Maybe your sample is just too small, or income and spending both rise and fall. Made the science flip, standard errors explode, and t-value shrink down a bumpy road.
18. Using PCA in a model helps too.
Too close to tell, X's collide, multicollinearity truth denied. Drop one X or
19. Which of these would not help correct multicollinearity?
stand on their own, then your regression finds its tone. Multicollinearity, when X's compete, just clean it up and your model's complete. Too close to tell, X's collide, multicollinearity truth
20.
denied.
Drop one X or center the data. This helps because
Too close to tell, X's collide, multicollinearity truth denied.
now it's time to reveal the answers.
When your exes walk in step.
Drop your score in the comments and let us know which topic you want next. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.